I did not think this through. I used to be a little emo kid. I'll insert some pictures here. This is the fucking state of me when I was younger. Today I'm going to show you how I did my makeup back then. First thing, priming my face. This is the Primark dupe for the Bobbi Brown one. Can't even fucking see it. Rub that in all over. This is the lightest foundation that I've got. I used to use a Max Factor one and it was white. It was the whitest fucking thing you've ever seen. But this one is HNB foundation in LF6W. I haven't worn it in ages, so I don't know how it's going to look on my skin. But I used to just basically do that and then... Oh my god, Meredith Duxbury, eat your fucking heart out. This is what I used to do. But the foundation was white. Don't worry, we're going to cover our face in white powder. That was 3 pumps of foundation. I can't imagine how Meredith Duxbury feels. I couldn't do 10. Okay, so this is what we have. My hands are gross. I'm going to wash them. Then what I used to do is take a white translucent powder like this, get it on a big brush, and set my entire face. This brush was far too big. Oh my god. What was I doing? There we go. Like a ghost. I'm going to stray from the path slightly because I didn't used to use bronzer, but my face looks round without bronzer. I can't bear it. Yes, this is cheating, but I can't bear it. I can't bear it. I didn't used to do my eyebrows. I just want to go back to my 17-year-old self and give her a big old slap. I'm just using a simple brow gel, so nothing too dramatic anyway. I'm going to make a start on my eyes. Pray for me. I'm going to start with the Old Faithful eyeshadow base Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Stick it on the eyelids. So, first thing I would do is take a black pencil eyeliner and ring it all around my eyes. It's nothing perfect. It looks fucking ridiculous. We're going to blend everything out. It's fine. This is fine. Everything's fine. Oh my god. Teenage Becky, I'm going to come and fucking slap you. I'm going to build a time machine. Go back to 2007 and throttle you. As you can see, nothing neat. Nothing neat at all. What the fuck is this, man? This is trust the process. Trust the frickin' process. Oh my god. Now, I was struggling to find the exact colours, so I'm digging into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush like this. Shimmery black colour. That one in the palette. Put that over where I put the black. Still don't worry about being neat or anything because we're still gonna blend this absolute fucking monstrosity out. As you're doing it, kind of bring it out into like a point. Like that. I'm gonna do the other eye. It's blending like shit on this eye because of my eyebrow piercing getting in the way. It doesn't matter, it's gonna look like shit anyway. When you've got something that sort of looks a bit like that, we're just gonna put a little bit of that underneath the eye as well. That's what it should look like when you've finished with the black. Right round the edges, I'm going to use this shocking pink from Sugar Pill. It's called Dolly Pop. Just use that to blend out all of the edges. Used to bring that pink way out as well, so it was like a giant wing. Then I used to use a stark white eyeshadow. This is Crystal Avalanche from MAC. I used to put that in the inner corner. And then brow bone. Because you had to have a white brow bone, right? I forgot to add that black eyeliner into the waterline as well. Blusher, I used to use a bright pink blush, but we've gone up in the world, so I'm going to use this one from Pat McGrath. And I used to smile when I put it on as well, so it was very like, pink cheeks. Then I'd either do no lip or like a pinky lip. This is L'Oreal Glow Paradise in Pastel Exaltation. Who the fuck named that? So yeah, super light pink, doesn't suit me at all. I was gonna go and try and style my hair, but I realised I forgot to put mascara on. It's funny because the postman's coming today and I know he's got a parcel for me. I'm gonna answer the door and he'll be like, ugh! So yeah, imagine black bow, long extensions. I'm gonna sort my hair out for when I do the outfit later on. Stay tuned for that. This is horrendous. Oh my god, what, goodbye.